In the realm of international diplomacy, geography is a destiny that cannot be changed. Jai Hind everyone, I am Rishabh Singh. Today I would like to emphasize on the topic India-Bangladesh relations. From 1971, Bangladesh has origin. Before that, it was known as East Pakistan. India was the first nation to recognize East Pakistan, but by not East Pakistan, but as Bangladesh. In 1971, India held and played a decisive role in the freedom struggle of Bangladesh, along with the side of Mukti Bahani. The debt of blood made relation with Bangladesh as a big brother. Bangladesh saw India as a big brother as they helped them in their freedom struggle. Not only from that, after their freedom, it took them almost 30 years. There were 7 ups and downs in their nation due to military coups. In 2009, when Sheikh Hasina became the ruler or the Prime Minister of Bangladesh, she was a very educated and very better in thinking as a political leader of Bangladesh. From 2009 to 2024, it is also named as the golden period of Bangladesh and India's relation. India and Bangladesh share commerce, like we export cotton and fuel to Bangladesh, and while we import textile from Bangladesh. I would like to state a very small example. The clothes which we wear from H&M, those are mainly made in Bangladesh, which we are wearing in India today. Apart from that, India and Bangladesh share 54 water bodies, which are in common. In August 2024, Sheikh Hasina's government collapsed and the one party system collapsed over there. Sheikh Hasina was not even safe in her country. So India, being an elder brother of Bangladesh, they brought Sheikh Hasina to shelter in India, and we are still providing shelter to her. After 2024, interim government was formed in Bangladesh. Until date, we are waiting for elections to be held in 2026. Influence of China on Bangladesh is very much important to us, as China is pushing towards Belt and Road Initiative, which is a major threat to us, as the Siliguri corridor, which is of width 25 kilometers. China's presence in Bangladesh is a big threat to us, as it also dominates in the Bay of Bengal as well. Speaking about Pakistan and Bangladesh relationship, in the upcoming T20 World Cup, Pakistan and Bangladesh are the only two nations which have decided not to play in India for Bangladesh, as there is due to security reasons. So Bangladesh, China and Pakistan, all of the three are not good for our nation. So hence the upcoming Ganga Treaty, which is to be which will come to an end in 2026, will act as a litmus test for our future friendship. Thank you.
Good. So next.